Gates open, they're up and racing. Dugos Fantasy draws for your lead. Moving up by the rail is entry number 3. And that's Enjoy the Flight. Moving up in between runners Hayward. Then comes Kudos. Followed by Creation. Moving up on the outside. Tell Me No Lies. Then next in line is War Alert by the rail is Big Bang. Moving up on the outside is entry number 6, Action Sailor, heading towards the last 600. Now we have Kudos takes the lead from the outside. Dugos Fantasy now in second and dropping back in third. Enjoy the Flight. Haywire is running in for that this moment. Then followed by Tell Me No Lies, Action Sailor moving up by the rail. Then comes War Alert Creation sneaking in down on the inside. Is Preciosa as they turn for home. Dugos Fantasy this time by about 2 lengths. Kudos is running in second and Joy the Flight is in third with the last 150 more to run. Dugos Fantasy this time by about 8 lengths. And finally, it's Dugos Fantasy. Second, War Alert, Kudos. Then comes number 1, Big Bang. Close between number 2, Preciosa and Action Sailor.